Hi everyone, my name is Clarissa Lewis and I'm going to talk today about content management systems. So what are content management systems? A content management system, or CMS for short, is a software application or set of related programs that are used to create and manage digital content. There is more than one type of CMS, but web content management systems help make it possible to build a website without needing to write all the code from scratch, or maybe without even knowing how to code. What does a content management system consist of? A CMS is made up of two main parts. The CMA, or Content Management Application, is the part that allows a user to add and manage content on a website. The CDA, or Content Delivery Application, is the part that is behind the scenes, that takes the content that the user inputs into the CMA, properly stores the content, and then makes it visible to visitors to the website. What are some examples of content management systems? Some of the maybe better known ones might be WordPress, Drupal, Squarespace, Wix, Magento, Joomla, Expression Engine, Pulse CMS, and Backdrop CMS. How would a user know which CMS is right for them? A few things to consider might be the language the CMS is built in, such as PHP, how advanced the CMS is, the features that are offered in the CMS, how user-friendly the CMS software is, or whether the CMS is free, a one-time purchase, or a monthly expense. What kinds of websites can be built with web content management systems? A few examples of those might be membership sites, forums, social networks, portfolios, e-commerce stores, blogs, and online courses. Are there any drawbacks to using a content management system versus doing all the code yourself? A few cons of using a CMS might be reduced flexibility in the layout of the website, and the more specific features a website needs, the less likely a CMS would even work for it. Training could be required to use a CMS effectively, and there could be less personalization to a website. I'm headed over now to Wix.com, one of the content management systems I mentioned, and I've signed up for a free account, so I'm just going to go now here to create site. And so now it gives me all these options of what kind of site I might want to create. So I guess I'll go to the restaurant and foods category. And so now it gives me all these templates that I could choose from. So maybe I'll go to the next page and go ahead and click on this City Bakery template and then edit. Okay, so City Bakery now page is up, and now I can look at the different views. I could edit in desktop view or switch over to mobile. And that could be handy when you're trying to edit your site. I could go in here and edit the text. Maybe change the name of it to the loaf pan. Kind of goofy, but that's alright. And then change text maybe to something like Poppin' Semi-Bold. And you could even change the way the image looks around the words. Let's see. Then it gives you some options here. You could go with that. That's of course the one that's already on there. The brown background, or maybe a orange background there. I'll go ahead and do the, oops. No, that's not the one I wanted. Oh, that one, brown background. And then of course you could, well, edit anything on here, looks like. If you wanted to change the image, you could go to there, or crop it. You could go ahead and, maybe I'd want to make it the same size as this image over here. And so there's that. Or if I want to just undo that and go back to the way it was before, just click that little arrow up there. So it looks like there's a lot of things you can do here. If you wanted to edit the navigation menu, click that. Maybe, yeah, let's rename it to, well, I wouldn't keep this, but About Us maybe instead of just About. So that just changes that wording there. And of course you could click on and add your own words, your own paragraphs, change any of these images in the About page. So there are, I'm sure, tons of things you could do here, change colors, background, everything. But it is a set template that you've got here. So I suppose, even though I think it looks really nice, it could be frustrating, I guess, if there was something you wanted to do with it that the particular template wouldn't let you do. But yeah, I just wanted to come over to one of these and go over this a little bit. Now, I just want to say thank you for watching my presentation. I hope it was helpful, and I hope everybody has a great day.